End is just approaching its 20th year. It's a company that started with very humble origins, really with a love for product and a passion for streetwear, street culture, and sneakers, and subsequently grew into, a really tremendous business, globally serving, customers that kind of have a like-minded appreciation for fashion. One of the biggest things that we needed to do over the last few years has been really upgrading our technology stack. We were definitely at a point where it was starting to show signs of inefficiency and not being able to really adapt to some of the changing needs of the business. So our big focus has been really upgrading the tech in the sense of making it more scalable, making it more stable, and really fixing a lot of the things that hadn't necessarily been addressed over the last several years as we grew so fast. So it's really cleaning up the data, cleaning up the back end, so that we could really make fast decisions and be able to get the information that we need, but really keep that stability and efficiency.
Project Clearview came about to start to look at the processes that we'd initially set up within the system and understand how we could make improvements and efficiencies within the system. Hitachi Solutions were then consulted, and they came in to support us in making those improvements, focusing specifically on data processes, financial consolidation, and product hierarchy. Hitachi Solutions have been amazing. They've come in with an area of expertise in D365. They've been able to evaluate our current setup with D365 and support us in optimizing that system and getting the most out of it. They've also helped us move the system to be best in practice with other retailers and really leveraging the tool for its full capabilities.
We as a business are very much about newness. We're always bringing in new products, and being able to understand what it is that's selling well is critical to our ability to then purchase more of that product or similar products that our customers really want to see. The end business needs to continue to grow, and data will be really key behind how we make the right decisions as to where to go next. So the next steps of this project, we've just completed phase one, which has very much been about the curation of those really essential reports that the business need. Hereafter, we're concentrating on bringing all other areas of the business into that same platform so that we can benefit from all of the data being in one place. Once that's complete, I think we'll look into the opportunities around data science and the introduction of AI to the platform that will allow us to make everyone in the business an analyst without all of the training.
What we've been doing with them is really cleaning up the very core elements of data in our ERP, and it's made a significant difference already since the time of going live with our new launch and new release of our ERP. So very happy with that, because all of the reports, all of the data really depend on having quality inputs and flowing through the system in the right way. And so we see tremendous continued opportunity to leverage what has been built with Hitachi. And as we continue to move ahead down the transformation process, they continue to be a key partner for us.